Hello friends, this is iDroid in Creation. In this video I will talk about the Android 10 update of Galaxy Note 9. So let's watch.
And friends, before starting the video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos and PUBG Mobile latest hacks.
So friends, Samsung has now released the stable Android 10 update. A 100 megabytes update is rolling out to beta users in India right now. The stable update availability for beta users is also extending in other markets where the beta program was launched, such as the UK. If you are using the Android 10 beta, you can download the stable update by going into the settings, then software update menu and selecting download and install. As for those using Android Pie, we can expect the Android 10 update to be released within the next day or two. Friends, one thing more, the Android Pie to Android 10 update will be much larger in size. Moreover, if we talk about this update, it comes with the all-new One UI 2, so you will also get many new features of this version. Also, Samsung has improved a lot the old features. The update also comes with December security patch. So friends, this is the latest news regarding Galaxy Note 9. Subscribe my channel for all incoming news in future. Thanks for watching. Peace out.